fidget time. Okay, so guys, this video is going to be on fidget spinners. How much do you have? I have 4 now. You have 5 still? Yeah. Okay. All fidgets. I just got a new one today at I Play America.
Me too.
Oh, to prove it, I have the wrist thing. This. Wait, it shows it right here.
Oh, I threw mine out.
See? I Play America. Yeah, it was 5 to 9, and I got there at 5:40. But I did bumper cars. I did the roller coaster thing. My friend was there. My friend that I sometimes play with. We went on like the thing that spins in a circle, but there's like a wheel in the middle, and you have to turn the thing. Me and my friend and my sister all went in it.
The boats, those were fun.
Those boats, they weren't really fun. They just were like going up and down.
They were bumpy.
But
and I did that little
this
sky
video,
thing. That little sky thing. That thing that goes up and down. That tilts.
oh, that orange thing,
Yeah.
the one that we did when I did laser tag.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, I did laser tag too. And I didn't really like it because one of the things didn't work. Like, it looked fun. It was 2 teams, red and blue. There was like 40 people in all, like 20 on each team. It was like so fun. But the only thing I didn't like about it was one of the things didn't work, and it wouldn't let me reload my gun. So like, I was just walking around trying to figure out how to do it, but I couldn't. It wouldn't work. So yeah. But I got a fidget. I changed my mind last minute, so I would have got 4 new ones because there was blue, there was green, there was orange, which I have, and there's Batman one. There was Flash. I don't think I would have got the Flash. I think I would have got the Batman one though. As I said, blue, green, orange. Oh, pink. Kaya got a pink one. Kaya got this one. It doesn't look pink, but it's pink. Yeah, it's pink. Yeah, it's pink. And I got an orange one because I like orange best, but as I said, my friend got me this one, so I don't know. But I'm gonna take it out. Okay, I have 4 fidget spinners now, and plus a fidget cube. A black fidget cube. I know fidget spinners are kind of old now, but I never done a YouTube video of it, so I just wanna.
Does this fit in the same case? Oh, it does.
Let me try yours. Got a fidget cube. So these are all my fidgets. I have orange one, my new one. I have a camouflage color, which is not really camouflage. It was ordered online. I got this white one from Walmart. This is my, I don't know if it's my best working one. I know it's not best, like, look the color and everything, but, like, fish spinners, at least you have one. And I have an American flag one. Yeah, works. Okay, so How should I do this? I don't know. And here are Kaya's fidget spinners. She has 5. She has more than me. I have 4. She has 5.
That's the best spinning one that actually spins really
So
smooth.
she has a red one, a pink camouflage one. This was her first one that I brought her. I brought her this fidget.
Pink sparkly. It's purple and sparkly.
Yeah, I brought her the purple one. She has this. I kind of like this color. Like, look at it. It has it's like I don't know. It's like a 3 color thing. It's like
It has
like
blue,
like
purple, and
It
pink.
has blue, purple, and pink all. Like blue going into purple and then purple going into pink, like that kind of thing. It's like starting new colors, like it's shading new colors. Got that one, and her final one is her new one.
That I
the
got
pink
from
one.
I Play America.
I just said that. So I would have had 7 fidget spinners if I got the blue one, the Batman one, and the green one, because they were cool colors. But there's also ones at Walmart, so when I get a chance to go to Walmart, I'm gonna get the blue and green one because there's like lime green one, and that's a pretty cool color.
Water went down the wrong pipe.
I'm also gonna get the blue one. The blue one. My favorite color is blue, so yeah. So yeah, guys, let's see. Oh, and I also have a fidget cube. I like pressing buttons. I like flipping switches. Okay. Look at the fidgets.
Let's do producing.
Take yours. Take all the fidgets. Give me my fidgets. Fidgets. I like this orange color. This is like a bright orange color. Looks pretty cool.
Oh my god. The problem is with this purple one is that this keeps falling off.
Yeah, you should throw that fidget out or sell it or something.
I need to look. And I got other stuff from My Play America, but I don't really want to show them. And why won't this work?
Okay, guys. I know a lot of you do this, but like, you stack what it makes. You can definitely see that. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Ooh, ooh. Look at that. It looks like a, I don't know, it looks like a kind of like a, remember, because this is a 3 fidget kind of thing. So I'm going to take one of them out. Okay, now there's only 2. Look at these. Oh, look at these, bro. Look at these. Look at these. Look at these awesome fidget. What are you doing?
I'm trying to do it.
What are you doing? Look at these awesome fidget. These fidgets. Fidget swords. Fidget stores. I'm just enjoying spinning my new one.
Yeah, and I'm enjoying spinning my new one. What's different about this one compared to
Switch.
these other ones?
Okay, time to put the pink one in. She has my orange one.
Oh,
This is like a bright pink. I know
this
it doesn't.
feels so nice.
I know it doesn't look like it by the camera, but like
This looks like a yellow on here.
Yeah, it looks like it from the camera, but it's bright orange. So yeah, but I like this pink though.
Yours looks like an orange. When mine.
No, my
Yours
Wait,
it
looks-
actually looks like peach.
yours looks like I don't know what yours looks like. It definitely does not look like what it does now. Yours looks like a reddish pink. I don't know. No, I'm gonna scrape my fidget. Stop. Give me my fidget. Go break it.
You gotta break my fidget.
Good. Throw it across the room.
That's not gonna do
Smash
anything.
across the thing.
Not gonna do anything.
If it smashes the wall, it will.
Whoa, this white one feels smooth.
Don't touch my fidget. Okay, you can touch mine if I touch yours. Okay. This red one's smooth. Oh my god.
These both. How come mostly the plain ones, like these, are smooth? These are the ones from Walmart.
These? Yeah, these two are from Walmart.
You know they're selling out blue and
I
green?
know. They started doing that like 3 months ago.
No, they didn't.
Yes, they did.
They actually
Because I
did.
went into Walmart like a month and a half ago, and I saw it. Stop. Give me my fidget. If you're gonna mock me, you don't need it.
Give me my fidget.
Ooh.
Ooh. I hate this one. It always shivers. It's like shivering when it spins.
Mine shakes.
Mine shakes real good. It's like,
You said
dude.
shivers.
Whatever.
What the heck is shivers? No
I
fidget
like this
shivers.
one. I actually think this one's the best one.
I got this American flag one on Memorial Day. I got it for Memorial Day.
And I got this one on Memorial Day too.
This is American flag. Camouflage is nothing.
Wait, I got this one for what's that other one? Either
You just got it. I got an
one.
American flag for Memorial Day. You just got yours to get it.
And aren't you working on getting a gold one?
Yeah, I don't know about that.
Why?
Because Mommy won't order it. I keep asking her to.
Look at my fidget spinner, Aiden.
Yeah, yours is horrible. It won't even spin. No, you're holding down on it. You pushed it down. What the heck?
I know.
Trying to
did
break your
that.
fidget. See, she's making it do this. Wait, hold on. Hold up. She's making it do this. But for real, she just tried to play you because it goes like this. Okay, so
Oh, these are hard to push down. These are hard.
I'll end the video right here, guys. Until my next video,
See, subscribe.
fidget
Subscribe.
out.